In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn this photo to this using Pixlr. Let's get started. First, we are going to choose a photo that you would like to edit. Next, open the Pixlr editor. Then click the File tab on the upper left corner and open the image that you would like to edit. Make sure that the layer is unlocked by clicking the lock icon at the right corner of your layer. Then, select the Draw tool at the toolbar on the left side. You can adjust the size and the sharpness of the brush to your liking. To change the color of the brush, you can click the color picker at the bottom of the toolbar and choose the color of your liking. But for this tutorial, we're going to use black. Next, draw on the eye and make sure that you draw along the edges as well. Now you have an edgy black eye effect on your photo. If you are satisfied with how the photo looks, you can now save it to your computer. But if you want to add some spice to your photo, you can blur the photo by clicking the blur tool from the toolbar. Adjust the size of the brush and blur the whole photo. Then, open the original photo. Make sure that it sits on top of the edited photo before adjusting the blending mode of the photo to your liking. Preferably, you can use multiply, overlay, darken, or soft light, but it depends on the photo and your preference. And there you go. You now have an edgy black eye effect on your photo. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.